about to head to Gustam, HSRLia for family dinner. So this is what I'm wearing. She got some curry leaves.
आप मेरे को एक आदमी में इतना ज्ञान कैसे है? कौन से है लेकिन ये लोग ऐसे हाँ डेंजर
आप रुपया में क्या 3 साल का देगा कुछ तकलीफ हुआ है
यहाँ में करी लीफ थोड़ा लगा देंगे इसका नमस्ते दर्शकों करी लीफ
नहीं तो क्या मौसम अच्छा है यहाँ पे
इधर तेरे दांत में आगे निकल देंगे अभी घर को है जाना शुभ रात्रि कहाँ जा रहे चुरुन गलत जगह में भी घुस गया अच्छे से बनाना नमस्ते दर्शकों
Very nice dinner. आज का dinner था good dinner. I hardly had something.
वांगदी वो लोग वो टैक्सी में जा रहे हैं एंड विल गो बाय ऑटो बिकॉज मेरा दीदी को आता है चक्कर
रास्ता अच्छा था छोटा वीडियो सीधा खींचो एकदम, ऐसा करके सीधा खींचो. हाँ. Nice. Dinner, and this is also few pieces of chicken for my cats. Oh my god. So on top of that, I usually keep eggs. So when I woke up, when I came out of the room, it was just down on the floor. And there is no much space inside fridge because there are already some more eggs already inside fridge. So I don't think so. Now with these 4 eggs, I will shift the yolk and white separate, and white I will make for my lunch, and yolk I'll give it to my dogs. I'm going to have 3 eggs white and 2 yolk, and 2 I will keep it for dogs.
Yeah, and this will go to bin.
The vegetables, carrots, spring onions, brinjal, cheese, green chili, chutney, and omelette. This is lettuce. I'm done with my lunch. You can see my kitchen. It's a mess. I have to clean my kitchen today. Cleaning my kitchen and my fridge. And if I get time, then overall I'll be cleaning the entire house. But like main arrangement I would be doing on the kitchen and the fridge. all inside cabinets have cleaned it. Now I have to do this top slab. I have to get my fridge set. All this vegetable will go inside. Chotan and Atum, I have received you guys. Let's start it. And you guys are back can see this. Okay? Right here. My fridge is set. So you guys can see inside I've cleaned, below down also it's fully clean. Top I have cleaned. The freezer looks more spacious and clean. Yeah. I'm so tired now. I have to do my dishes. My lunch का जो मैंने खाया था that dishes I have to do, and then kitchen को पूरा स्लैब साफ करना है. I'm done with my cleaning. I've done cleaning. Living room is done. It's Coco. Kitchen is set. It's raining outside. Alright guys, I'm gonna end my vlog here today. I'm very tired. I am done with my cleaning. I've been thinking to do cleaning since past 5-4 months, but I didn't get time. Finally I got time today to do cleaning. I would not say deep cleaning. Some of the areas still I need to do a little bit of cleaning, which I don't have time today as I'm very tired. It's already about to be 5. I thought within 4:40 something I should be done with my cleaning. There's still some places like bathrooms and my cupboard inside. I have to arrange my clothes. I don't have time today to do it because I have to do a little bit of editing. I've got my laptop here, so I have to do a little bit of editing and upload my vlog. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I hope you guys are liking this of the videos which I'm trying to add in my vlog. Keep loving, keep supporting, and I love you guys. Thank you so much. I will definitely see you guys in my another vlog. Bye.